I am Dr. Anad Shrivastava, Chairman and co-founder GIOSTAR, that is Global Institute of Stem Cell Therapy and Research, and this is California San Diego-based institution. And today I am going to talk about coronavirus. In fact, several people keep me asking that is it possible to really treat or manage the coronavirus using the stem cell science? And in fact, I'm going to share today very wonderful news, and a very good publication in fact came from China, and in fact several countries collaborated like China, Spain, US, India. So all these countries collaborated to see if stem cell may help in managing the coronavirus symptoms or may treat the patient who are suffering from the coronavirus. And what they did, they use a specific kind of stem cells that is called mesenchymal stem cell. This is an adult stem cell basically, and it is present in fat, peripheral blood, bone marrow and cord. So it may be obtained from all these places, and it's not so difficult to get these kind of stem cells. So what they reported in fact in the China, they treated or managed, I will say, that at least 7 patients who were suffering from the coronavirus, and that is COVID-19 virus infection, and they all were having very severe pneumonia. As we know, and it is already well documented in different publications, that mesenchymal stem cell particularly have very strong immune modulatory function. So what they did, they just anticipated and hypothesized if they inject the mesenchymal stem cells in the patient who are suffering with the COVID-19, that is coronavirus, and having severe pneumonia-like symptoms, is it possible to rescue these patients? And what they found was amazing in fact. So when they infused this mesenchymal stem cell in the blood circulation of these patients who were suffering from COVID-19, they found all the inflammatory cytokines, those are the bad cytokines I can say, which causes the pneumonia-like symptoms. All those cytokines was downregulated or blocked by the mesenchymal stem cells. And if you see the name of all the cytokines, I'm just going to let you know that they found that this inflammatory cytokines like CXCR3 CD4 T cells, CXCR3 CD8 T cells, and CXCR3 NK cells all were disappeared from the body, and the good cytokines, that is CD14, CD11, CD11B, and regulatory dendritic cells, that is T cells population dramatically increased. And they also see that TNF-alpha, that is inflammatory cytokine and gene regulation, was very much downregulated in these cases. And the good cytokine, that is IL-10, increased when the patient was treated with mesenchymal stem cell. So this was wonderful news, and this is a wonderful news. And as we know that right now there is no treatment or management available for COVID-19, so it may be possible, in fact, it might or may be possible to use mesenchymal stem cell to help the people or the patient who are suffering from the COVID-19 infection. And if you see, this publication came from very different countries like China, the US, and the Spain, the India, the Russia. So many countries collaborated to publish this particular article, and that's telling that transplantation of mesenchymal stem cell improves the outcome of patient with COVID-19 pneumonia. So thank you very much for listening, and hope this may help, and governments may consider this a possible management cells to use the mesenchymal stem cells to treat the pneumonia induced by COVID-19 virus. Thanks.
Got questions? We would love to hear from you in the comment section below. Tell us what else you want us to cover. And do not forget to share and like this video.